So another property for sale. It's a house and lot located in Barangay Mactan, no? Lapu-Lapu City. It's part of Mactan. Duol-duol ni dito sa Mactan yung town. Ato bitong Battle of Mactan dito dapita paingon. Pero it is located in Seabreeze subdivision. Very close from National Highway. Then there are two houses, no? Duha ka balay for a package price of 10 million pesos. 10 milyones. Then asking price man na guys. So ato ra nang hangyoon po if in case you are really interested. Lig-on pa man ang balay, na pa may nag-abang. Ato lang gili-ili. Although murag kuan kayo ba kay ang owner ni Arames Gawas noon, ang caretaker may wa may kasod. So sige lang, at least nakakita ko sa location. So dool aring New Baptist Church, no? Dool dire. So at least okay ra gyud. Dako man sad 300 square meters niya. Dool gyud sa highway, very close from National Highway. Mao na kinanindot ani guys. For inquiries, just contact me. So di aring atubangan ng isa, ya paingon sa likod katong ito story. One story ra na sa atubangan guys. So ngani ni. Highway na dayon. For inquiries, just contact me.